Salah is the second pillar of Islam. Muslim plays 5 times daily. Consists of rakas. A rak'ah is a
Raka,
set
Raka,
of
Raka is a mhm, set
rak'ah is a set of re,
reci-
re,
recitations
recitation
and
and
movements.
movement.
Okay, first one is
Fajr
Fajr. Yeah.
for sunrise. Doher
Now,
early
how many rakats we
afternoon.
read for Fajr? Read two rakats. Huh? Okay. So it tells here as well about the rakats. For Fajr, which is before sunrise, you read two rakats. How many rakats?
2 rak'ah.
Two rakats. For Zohar, now for Zohar,
Doher early afternoon 4 rak'ah.
four rakats. Yeah.
Asr afternoon 4 rak'ah.
Late
Maghrib
afternoon. Mhm.
afternoon 4 rak'ah. Maghrib after sunset 3 rak'ah. Isha nighttime 4 rak'ah.
Well done.